Hello everyone, it's Alex. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do something fun this year for when it came to Black Friday. I am a fan of Black Friday, Cyber Monday. I have been for a very long time. Way before YouTube started, way before I even graduated high school, way before I even went to college. I am a long time Black Friday shopper. Let's just put it that way. A lot longer than some people have been alive. So today I wanted to share with you guys some stores that I always like to hit during Black Friday, what to look for, how to go about Black Friday and Cyber Monday, because it can get overwhelming, especially now that we do have online shopping, not so much at the store like it used to be. So I just wanted to give you guys where I go, what I do, what I say to myself, the questions that I ask, just in case you're out there wondering, like, how the heck am I going to tackle this? Because I have gotten that in my personal life, like friends and family, like, how do you do this? Like, it's overwhelming. It's actually gotten good because of online shopping. So it's not as bad as you think. So if you're curious to hear what I have to say, just stay tuned. Okay, so first and foremost, you know that you can go in store or online for some of these sales. Some sales are specifically for in stores versus online, so you get the best of both worlds depending on what you want. If I were to choose Black Friday or Cyber Monday, I think that I would choose Cyber Monday for electronics or big purchases, because you're going to get the free shipping or you're going to get a better deal online. So that's when I most of the time do my Cyber Monday. Like, I always buy either kitchen appliances, like as far as like I've gotten myself a juicer. Last year I ended up getting a Ninja blender, which was amazing. I love my Ninja. I got one of those. So for me personally, Cyber Monday, that's what I use it for. And there are sometimes better deals as far as makeup goes on Cyber Monday, certain websites versus Black Friday. So you do have to do your research on what you want to get. But that's how I take it. I take Black Friday more for personal things, and then Cyber Monday for more bigger purchases, electronics, laptops, bigger things online. That's what I tend to do. So as far as in store, I always like to hit certain clothing stores, certain stores that kind of have different departments in them, so I could take advantage of different sales. So the first one that I'm going to share with you guys is Kohl's. I know a lot of people don't do Kohl's, but I have done Kohl's for a long time. I remember waiting at Kohl's at 4 o'clock in the morning in the little vestibule for them to open up at 5 a.m. because they had great sales on certain things. And honestly, I go there for clothing. I've gone there for shoes. I bought suits for Mr. Man there a few years because they were under $100, really good ones. And the best part of Kohl's is now they sell makeup. And I feel like every year religiously, when you do go in store at Kohl's, I don't know if they do it online because I don't really shop online for Kohl's. They give you, for every $50 you spend, you get $10 Kohl's cash back. And I always come out with like a good $40 to $50 in Kohl's cash back. And I believe you can use it 3 to 5 days after Black Friday. So I can always go back and pick up things that I didn't see, that didn't have my size, or that I was contemplating on, and technically get it for free. And that also includes makeup. Makeup products do go to that Kohl's cash. So I love that, because sometimes I have gone back and just bought myself something after I've purchased things for everyone else for Christmas. I'll use the Kohl's cash for myself. But I do like to go to Kohl's. I think that they're very underrated and forgotten. But for me, I love Kohl's. They sell Lorac, Cargo, The Bomb, Real Techniques, and I love their clothing. I think they're fun for like t-shirts, sweaters, jeans. I really do like the kids clothing. I love. They also sell toys. I've gotten so many toys for nieces and nephews there that are at a ridiculous price. Like, I really do like Kohl's. So that's one of the first stores that I go to. The second store that I like to shop with, to go to, is Macy's. I go for Macy's for like bedding, quilts, certain kitchen things. One year I did get a Keurig there that was at a good price. I go for clothing. I'll go there for like certain shoes. If I just want like beat up boots or something that they'll have for like $10, I'll get a pair for those. And I also tend to look at their sales for Black Friday when it comes to makeup. Sometimes they do have like specific gift sets that they only pull out for Black Friday that you can only get at Black Friday in store, whether it be like an Urban Decay set or Estee Lauder, something. I love purchasing Mr. Man's colognes there. So I may not get a discount on them, but I do get some points because they have like point system if you have a credit card or whatever. So that's where I normally go to for Macy's. I do like Macy's for that reason. The third place I like to hit is Old Navy. I love Old Navy clothing for the whole entire family. They have such good and cute clothing. I get my daughter's leggings there all the time because they have fun prints, super cheap. Like, I mean, I rack up on their stuff, and you end up getting coupons on top of that where you come back. I think it's like, I don't know, 10 off of 25 next purchase, something like that. But I love Old Navy. I always hit them too. I've gotten sweaters from them for me. I've gotten jeans, dresses. I love getting kids' clothes there. So that's a third place I hit on Black Friday itself. Fourth one is New York and Company, believe it or not. If you work at a professional place where you need to kind of dress up, this is a great place to go, and they have ridiculous sales where I'm like, you're basically giving me this clothes for free because they're always giving out coupons. And I know for Black Friday, for a fact, they'll give you a coupon to come back. So, and the coupons are really good. These are not like dumb coupons. They give you the good coupons. Jewelry, most of the time when you see me wearing earrings and things, it's coming from New York and Company. Studs I've gotten there, necklaces, all my fashion jewelry, for the most part, I get at New York and Company, and I've shopped there for years from them. So that's another place I like to get more fancy clothing or work appropriate clothing that isn't so like uptight and professional, you know, that kind of thing. I do like their stuff as well. The final place is Target. Now you may be looking at me like, Alex, oh my gosh, Target looks like a hot mess. Over the years, Target has gotten a lot better. I never used to shop there in the beginning. Like, I mean, in the beginning when I used to start, because it was just overwhelming. But over time, they've gotten the hang of it. Obviously, they've been able to make it more easy and smooth and organized, that you're not feeling overwhelmed. Really, honestly, if you've never been in a store on Black Friday, it doesn't feel like it looks like on TV where everyone's trampling on each other. No, it does not. Target does it really, really well. I love to go to Target because they normally have sets for like face masks or like body lotions, things of that nature for gifts. Love getting kids pajamas there. I normally get my kids Christmas pajamas there, or if I'm giving them as gifts, I'll do that. Or obviously electronics. I have gotten Mr. Man wireless. Last year I got him wireless, you know, the headphone things for to listen to music or talk. And I forget, it's like the really good brand, Beats. I think it was called Beats. And I got them for under $100. He wanted them and he realized how much they were, and he's like, no, and I found them. Me and my sister wants to get another pair this year. We'll see if we can find them this year. But you get things like that at Target. I don't go for toys at Target. I just think it's too overwhelming. My kids are well aware of that. They don't even know. But I don't go for toys. I like to get either makeup, skincare type of stuff on that side, like beauty stuff, or I'll go for electronics, but only certain ones. I'm not that crazy type of person that goes for like the PS2, and I don't even know what's out there nowadays, or a camera or something. I don't do those type of things. I'm not into electronics anyway. So as far as in-store, that's what I do. Now, when you're talking about makeup, there's only 3 stores I really go to in-store, and that's Sephora, Ulta, and Macy's. Sephora honestly sucks at their sales. I very rarely buy anything during Black Friday or Cyber Monday at Sephora because I think their sales suck. They just don't know how to do it. I'm sorry to say that, but they just don't know how to do it. Ulta, I do. Ulta has certain kits in store that you can get or online, which I think are amazing. I have gotten them as gifts in the past. I've gotten them for myself, so then I have the product at a cheaper price. So Ulta, I always hit every single year with my sister. Her and I enjoy that. She'll pick out her Christmas gift. I'll pick out my Christmas gift. We're already there. We'll use the stuff. You know, it's not a big deal. Third place I like to do is Macy's. Like I stated earlier, they have gift sets and things there that I always like to take advantage of as well for gifts. Now, the last category I want to share with you guys is indie brands. For indie brands, this is going to be my first year really shopping indie brands during Black Friday, Cyber Monday. So I don't know if they're going to have a difference between Black Friday and Cyber Monday. But the things that I am looking out for when I'm looking at indie brands is free shipping, a free gift with purchase, or what type of percentage off. So that's what I have my eyes set on certain brands. I want to see what they're doing. Bear in mind, as I'm filming this video, and before, while it's uploaded, there probably has been 1 million sales over, and some sales may be better than what you're getting on Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So that's something you also got to consider, whether you want to take the risk and purchase something before Black Friday or Cyber Monday, or wait to see if they're going to do a better sale. That's something that, you know, it's a gamble. You don't know. Now, with all these brand or companies that I shop for and everything, I do ask myself certain questions. Because I've done this for so long, I kind of have an idea of what it is I'm looking for. I have my list of things that I want to get. And these are the questions I ask myself. Is this sale really good or not? And what I mean by that is, if you have been shopping from these companies for a while, you kind of get a feel of what percentages they give you, what kind of sales they give you. So you know whether the Black Friday sale is worth it or not. There is certain companies that will only give you an amazing discount during Black Friday or Cyber Monday. And that's the only time I'll shop from these companies, because I know that I can get it dirt cheap versus buying it throughout the year at 10% off, 15% off. So you have to see the trend of brands and companies to know whether if it's a really good sale or not, because you may be getting the same sale they did back in like March. You don't know this unless you're paying attention. The other thing is, how often do these places have sales? Like I mentioned in the past, there are certain makeup brands that I know will never do a sale unless it is now. I have purchased all of my Viseart palettes from the company called Alcone because they're basically half off. I'm not even kidding you. I've gotten the big large pan ones. What are they, 12 pan? I don't even remember. For like $45, $42.50 instead of paying the $80. I cannot make this up. The majority of mine have come from this brand during Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Obviously anything I talk about I will link down below so you guys can check them out. But that's how I've gotten mine, because maybe one or two have spent the $80, but other than that, all of mine have been at a major discount because I shop around for what I like. So that's where that question is coming from. Is this sale really a good sale, or is this something that they normally do often? Last but not least is this a unique bundle? Sometimes brands will do unique bundles only during Black Friday or Cyber Monday. A few years back, Urban Decay did a bundle of their Vice lipsticks that were $50, and I believe you got 6 or 7. These are the bundles that I'm talking about. Is it worth the specific bundles that they're only going to share with you guys during Black Friday or Cyber Monday? Maybe Stila will do something on their Glitter and Glows where you can only get it during Black Friday or Cyber Monday. These are the little things that I just want you guys to pay attention to, what I pay attention to, what I look for when I purchase something, because sometimes they sucker you in and it's not worth it. It isn't worth it. So you have to be a smart shopper. And those are my tips and tricks. The stores that I shop for, what I'm looking for, what I know of as far as trends with these brands and these companies. And I don't know what I'm going to get this year. Who knows? I have been so preoccupied with the house that I don't even know. So, but I wanted to share these things with you guys. Obviously, bear in mind too, you do not need to go crazy. You do not need to go crazy. You don't need to shop. You don't need to shop. There's going to be so many sales. It's going to be ridiculous. Even after Black Friday and Cyber Monday. I've even seen better sales after Black Friday and Cyber Monday than during it with certain companies. So if you miss out on a sale, it's okay. It's just things. So don't go crazy. Don't go in debt. You don't need to buy anything if you can't. I have gone out Black Friday just to people watch because I just want to people watch it. It's something for me to do without my children. So it's just, you know, just don't go crazy. Be careful. If you do go out, do the buddy system. Park under a light so then you have light. Look at your surroundings. Cover the things that you purchase with, like, I always bring like a blanket or towels, and I cover what I purchased in the back of my car just in case somebody wants to look at my car and break in. I never bring my full entire purse. I always bring like a wristlet or a wallet, a crossbody with only like my license and certain things, cash or whatever, so I don't lose something, because my sister has lost cell phones in the past on Black Friday, believe me. So I always do those type of things just to be on the safe side. You never know, you know, people are crazy out there. It's just things. Nobody should kill each other for these things, honestly. So anyway, I hope you guys have a great shopping time. I will be out there. Follow me on Insta stories and you'll probably see me running around. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check my description box for all of these companies, links, anything that I'll have for you guys to help you guys out if you do want to do your research on these things. Make your list, check it twice. Make sure you're getting the best deal you can. Have fun with your shopping. I am very envious of those that are going to go crazy because I'll probably be doing a lot of house shopping. So I will catch you guys with a next video, or on my next video. Can you tell I'm exhausted? Thank you for all of your support. And don't forget that a smile is the best makeup a girl can wear. Bye guys.